do a quick video for you guys today on a great little product that I've discovered called Bowden's Mr. Black, or the black box. Really good for those plastics on the FJ, particularly around the tailgate. I'll do a bit of a 50-50 for you so you can see a before and after, and I'll just go through quickly, you know, what the process is to do that. I'm really happy with it, and yeah, I'm sure you guys will be too. To get in the Bowden's black box kit, get a couple of application sponge brushes, a couple of application sponges, the flash prep, and obviously the Mr. Black itself. That's a, as I said, I think before, that's a really sticky sort of a, not sticky, it's just like a, literally like a dye. What you do initially is you put a little bit of this on the sponge, wipe it all over the area like that. And then what you do is you wipe it off with the other sponge and then go over it one more time, you know, with the microfiber type cloth after that, and you'll end up with a result like that. I'll just go back and I'll do a bit of 50-50 for you, so you can see a comparison like before and after. That's a pretty dramatic difference. Grab that cloth again, the grey one that comes in the kit, and just give everything a nice wipe over just to get rid of any residuals, because it is like a dye or an ink. And as you can see, if you run it along there, that's like new, and then you can see the scratches and everything through here. Those scratches actually extended all the way through, but they basically disappear. You just see it there in the glare. If you come back, disappears. So yeah, overall really good product, and happy with that one. So yeah, if you're looking for something to do in lockdown, it might be a good little easy job for you. It does get on paint, so as you can see, you can put it on your paint, but it wipes off as well. So don't worry about it getting on your paint. You could use a bit of prep sol, I suppose, or even the flash stuff, flash prep. Wipe it on, it'll come straight off. Just a quick little video, like I said. You got any questions, by all means, stick them down in the comments below. I'll try and get some more content out to you as soon as possible. Got any ideas for some content? You know, something you might have seen on one of the videos I haven't quite gone into enough detail. By all means, also stick that in the comments, and yeah, we'll see you soon. Shut up, you mongrels. See you later, guys. Bye.